The second of the three is they talk about not engaged employees. These are employees who simply come to work for a paycheck and complete their perceived job or function for the company day in and day out. These employees are not cheerleaders for the company or its objectives. However, they are not obstacles either. In some instances, these employees are referred to as blind followers, or the sheep who will follow anything or anybody. Again, they're not perceived as not engaged, but they're definitely not the people that are going to actively get involved, be creative, be the first to raise their hand when there's things to be done. They're there kind of duck and hide, make sure that they don't get in trouble, do what they're supposed to do, but not, they're there when they're supposed to be. They take the full advantage of their breaks and their lunchtime, and right at clock out time, they're out of there. They're prepared and ready to go immediately. And then the third level is the actively engaged employee. Employees who stand out among the others. Actively engaged employees are strongly aligned with the organization's objectives, ways to improve the company, as well as themselves. You know who these people are. They're the ones that are fully invested in the company. They stand out all the time in terms of coming up with new ideas and new concepts. They're team players. They don't merely look at the clock or their watch to see are they required to stay any longer. These are the people that look up from their desk or their activities or whatever they're doing and say, I can't believe this day is already over with. I have so much that I have left to do. They stay late. They're excited. They're constantly thinking of ways to improve themselves and their job and the company as a whole. So when Gallup looked at those three different distinct things, they started looking at the overall workforce through surveys, and they found that close to 60% of all employees fall into the actively disengaged or the not engaged employee, which means less than, max 40%, but probably less than that, are actively engaged on a daily basis in their job. Well, if you look at a percentage of, say, 30 to 40% of your workforce is actively engaged in what they're doing, and 60% or more are not engaged or merely just getting by, the lack of productivity out of that large group of people can be extremely costly to organizations. It's not good for morale. It's not good for the culture of the organization. And so our employee engagement program, not only the subject title itself, which is somewhat of a buzzword, but the actual content inside of it is a way within a 1-day or a 2-day format to go inside of organizations and help them identify, first and foremost, who's engaged and who's not, what are the reasons that they're not engaged, and what we can do as a company to turn that around a little bit. So the first step in the employee engagement program is you have access through our assessment platform to use an employee engagement survey form that we have. So you can actively take that, send it out inside of the organization to all the employees and measure their effectiveness on employee engagement. And that tool you have available to you, and that would be the first step in identifying at what level and how many people are engaged.